Let's get into functions. So define output. I'm going to create a function that will return an integer. Let's create a function that will sum two variables. The function is called sum. It's two parameters, a and b, of type integer. Begin, end. Remember, we always write code between that. And now we can simply say return a plus b. So a very basic function. And this function needs two numbers. Let's say 5 and 5. Output to the screen. So what happens here is that we call the function sum. Parameters 5 and this will jump, code will jump here and return a plus b, and then we'll output that to the screen. Sum is like a reserved word, so let's call it sum bar. There we go. Return 10. So we have our first function here, well, apart from our main function. You can make functions do also a lot of different things. Now we, instead of like outputting after the function, we can output inside the function as well. Let's do this. Create a variable sum, and this contains a and b. Returns nothing. In this case, void. Like void is an empty space. And we'll output in this function. So now we'll have this is like the reserved out keyword in C comes with sum. Let's call that here. And sum can be removed from this. So now we call the function sum with a and b set to 5, and it jumps into this function and starts calculating the variable output in the print stat. Now you can use this to repeat code, like we define our logic once in this function, and now we can keep calling it with different parameters. See, so now we call a function 3 times. That's why we're seeing 3 numbers. Each function outputs 1 time. Might also want more detailed output, so do it like this. You see, we call the function 3 times and it starts doing the logic and outputs to the screen. So this is very basic use of functions in C.